So when you're talking to just, an average day person, how do you describe and explain what the space elevator is and what it'll do for mankind?
Okay, the first thing is you have to define a space elevator. And so what I've done is I've come up with a few words as president of Space Elevator Consortium, International Space Elevator Consortium, that I can repeat very easily so people can understand. And the following statement is what I do when I'm talking about to somebody that really doesn't understand, has never been introduced to the concept. I say this: the reason for space elevators is routine, inexpensive, and safe access to space, and it's 2 orders of magnitude in cost and 2 orders of magnitude in payload delivery compared to today's environment. How do we do it? It's a thin ribbon, 1 meter wide, 100,000 kilometers long, that stays upright from centrifugal force, similar to a rock being spun around your head with a string. It has climbers using opposing wheels that press against the ribbon with friction, and then electricity drives the wheels and the climbers just go up. So it's a simple concept of wheels on a material with friction. And why do we do it is the space access will provide solutions to Earth-based problems, and they will enhance the human condition by providing phenomenal amount of access to space, expanding the cislunar space first and then the solar system access, both with robotic satellites and with humans. And if you wonder about that right now, there are 2 companies, Planetary Resources and Deep Space One, that have robotic prospector satellites, either launched or ready to be launched, looking at asteroids for water and ice and minerals to mine. So there are 2 companies that are actively pursuing asteroid mining. When they find the asteroid mining product, then they're going to have resources to sell. I believe the first resource to sell is water at the Lagrangian point of 1, which is most of the way to the moon in a linear direction between the Earth and the moon. And it's a semi-stationary position. And so they'll bring their asteroid products for sale, basically water, to that location to a spaceport. At the spaceport, you'll have people who want to go to the moon, want to go to Mars, want to go asteroid mining, want to come back to the Earth, whatever, and they need fuel. And so they need fuel, and water provides oxygen, hydrogen, air to breathe, oxygen to breathe, water to bathe in, water to drink, everything else. So water will be very valuable at the L1 spaceport. Why do you want to bring it from the asteroids? Why not bring it up from the ground? The answer is a kilogram of water at that L1 position is about $40,000 a kilogram. And so if you can bring water to L1 cheaper, you can sell it to these guys at $39,999 a kilogram, and you can make a killing. And the second aspect is that the people on the ground who are launching or taking Space Elevator up can bring more hardware instead of bringing fuel and water. They don't need to bring fuel and water to get all the way to Mars or Jupiter or whatever. They can bring the hardware and then fuel up at L1. So I believe the first business is going to be